I have the Pioneer HDJ CUE1BT in my hands. Hello fellow DJs from around the globe, I'm JP and this is my YouTube channel Real Life DJ, where I try and produce useful, interesting, informative and above all free videos for DJs covering basically everything DJ related, from equipment and training through to your very own questions. In this video I'm taking my first hands-on look at the Pioneer DJ HDJ CUE1BT, which is the Bluetooth version of the recently released Pioneer DJ headphones. A few weeks back I saw a few videos about the Pioneer DJ HDJ CUE1 headphones that were recently launched, but none of them were the Bluetooth version. They only mentioned that the Bluetooth would be available. I thought I'd wait and see what the Bluetooth version was like, as it not only connects with the wiring to DJing onto your DJ console, but also has the ability to connect to your phone, so you can use via Bluetooth while on your way into from gigs and just generally through the day for everyday use. Let's now unbox the Pioneer HDJ CUE1BT and see what you get. Before we do, can I ask that you press that like button now on the video, share to your chosen social media of choice and smash that subscribe button if you've not done so already. As I may have mentioned previously, small channels like mine need your interactions. Thank you in advance. Pioneer DJ claim these headphones will last up to 30 hours between charges, which is very respectable. The Pioneer DJ HDJ CUE1BT headphones are available in a selection of colours, black, red and white as I have here. Additionally, you can order interchangeable colour ear pads. I was not aware this was a headphone thing, but hey, I suppose it allows you to express your creative side. I do know a few people that would like this option. Personally, I'm not sure it's for me, but that could be my age. The cost of these headphones are around £89 in the UK a pair. They come with ear pads and a wire, but should you feel you need the different coloured ear pads and wire, they are an extortionate £26 a pair. The ear pads and wire colour choices are pink, green, yellow, blue and orange. I have to ask you, do you feel you having these coloured accessories will improve the product or help maybe impress the ladies? I'm not convinced it'll help your DJ skills. Points that Pioneer DJ like to emphasise on these Pioneer DJ HDJ CUE1s is that these have a high quality sound, something I need to test against other comparable headphones. Additionally, Pioneer DJ claim these headphones are durable and have useful foldable design. That personally is something that is worth considering, as I have snapped so many pairs of headphones over the years. Pushing them into spaces a foldable design would have fitted. If the penny don't fit, as they say. My first thoughts are that they do feel pretty sturdy actually. They're not bad at all. Don't feel like they're going to fall apart on me. I like the feel of them. They're not, that's a bit harsh, not the most comfortable padding on the top there. Again, it's all down to shape of head, but it's sufficient. Adjustable on the sides. Let's say it's got swivel ability on both sides, so you can, now I do this a lot when I'm queuing stuff up, I do that, and if you haven't got that ability for them to swivel, then it really puts the pressure on the joints on the side and snaps. So that's not going to be a problem here. So these could be pretty long lasting in that way. The ear pads do feel fairly comfortable on my ears, and they do deaden out the sound. So that's my first thoughts on first unboxing and touching. Would I consider using them? Yes, well I would at the moment, and I will give them a try. But as I say, I'd like to see what I can do with them against other pairs, compare them sound wise. What I'd like to do though is with these is produce a comparison video between maybe the Pioneer DJ X5, the Sennheiser DJ 25s, and these, the Pioneer HDJ CUE1BTs. If you'd like to see that video, then let me know in the comments and I will make that video if it is wanted. I've got all of those, so I could do a direct comparison. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. It's really appreciated. Don't forget to press that like now if you have not done so already. On a very serious note, if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, then now is the time to do it. And don't forget to turn on that bell so you get notified next time a video goes live. Till the next time, thanks for watching. JP out.